Alright, you've seen a lot of episodes with Selena in it, whether she's at the park or playing in the living room, but now I give you the Snore. There she is in the back, right behind me. Yep, she snores like her grandparents.
Oh no!
Mayday! Mayday! Our ship is sinking!
What's
Mayday!
happening? Oh no!
Mayday!
Oh no!
Selena, we are at Walmart. Let's go.
Are you going with me at Walmart? Oh, you're not going at Walmart? You're not gonna see the toys? Aren't you gonna see the toys?
Of course.
Okay, you say bye-bye.
Bye.
Kiss. Give them a kiss. Flying kiss.
It's about to dock. Here it is, coming in for a landing. Here it goes. Okay, there you are. Here you go. Get some of the stragglers. Okay, now back to get some more cargo. Okay, oh, here it comes. It's all loaded and ready to go. Here you go. Here's the cargo. It's about to dock at port. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh, here you go. Oh, you wanted to help too. Okay, here you go.
What is she eating?
There you go. You like your squash and carrots? Oh yes, I'm sure you do. Yeah. Mixed in with a little bit of that milk you like, eh? Oh yes. Here we go. Another load coming in. It's time to dock at port. Let's go. Okay, there it is. It's now in port. Which is your mouth. Okay. There you go. There you go.
How about you, Ate? What are you eating, Te?
Excuse me.
What are you eating, Te?
Eating princess.
Princess.
What are you eating?
Blue cheese.
There you go.
You know what I'm eating it in?
There you go.
Like carrots.
You're what?
Carrots.
Oh, you carry.
There you go.
Yeah, and there's a back seat for the prince. You and my baby princess.
Oh, where have you been, by the way?
I've been chasing a mouse.
Why?
Because the mousey was hiding. I did not let her.
There you go, another one.
Keep eating,
There
baby.
you go.
You actually mean princess. Where on here?
What do you want to say?
Well, I mean sandwich. And this is paper towel.
Ay, naku, Te. Huwag mo harangan.
And daddy and my friends is feeding my baby princess. Now look at the pictures I paint.
Where? Where's your painting?
Over there, behind you.
Oh, those pictures.
I made it.
Hi, Charlotte.
What's that? I want one. Give it to Dad. Give one to Daddy.
Do you want to sing?
What's
What's that Moana song? What's that Moana song?
I'm singing. Hi everyone. I want to sing. And Daddy, you be quiet, please. I'm going to sing.
Say goodbye.
I'm not done.
Say paalam.
Paalam.
What?
Paalam.